Hey there, everybody. I want to open with you, since it's sort of a gifty season, a present that I got myself that I actually backed on Kickstarter. This is by, I'm not sure how to say his name, Maille. Could be neither of those. But anyway, this is a project called The Endless Oracle. So, again, I was a backer. So this is the book that comes with, and the cool thing about the Endless Oracle is that it's an, dang, hold on, I forgot the word. A myriorama, right, that's it. So a myriorama is a type of set of cards where any card can be put next to any other card to create a continuous picture. So the way that the art in these cards is set up, each card has its own picture and its own meaning, and you kind of get an idea. There's some like ways to do, you know, creative tools, using it with tarot, the meaning of each card, like the little story in each card. And then this is the actual deck itself. So let's take a look at how these cards fit together. Shiny and new. Okay. All right. It looks like there's some space in the box, and I didn't spring for the entire, like, every extra card in the set. So it's probably just that that's room for, like, the extra. I think there's like an extra 15-piece set with a different theme or something that still fits in the deck. But anyway, I didn't do that. So this is the back. Very pretty. And then this is the archway. This seems to be a very important piece because it's on the back. So you can sort of put together any configuration of cards. And you're probably thinking, oh ho ho, my girl, but those cards all came in box order, so... Oh, and it looks like they don't always necessarily fit perfectly. Like these, you kind of have to move to match up the tree lines, but that's okay. That kind of fits there. But then let's take something from, you know, this part of the deck, and we'll take out the bridge, and then we'll pop in the merchant. And then once again, you've sort of got... So depending on how you put them together, you can use them to prompt, you know, like story dice. You can just shuffle and use them to prompt a story. I think you can use them in conjunction with tarot or in tandem with tarot. It's a really cool deck. So it's always fun to be a backer on stuff like this because you get updates about like how the art is going and how the packing is going, and you know, extras that you're going to get because they got X number of... Ooh, the fallen hero. That sounds dramatic. The fawn, the fields, the figure by the fire. There's a good story starter. The giants. Oh, that's cool. That reminds me of the forest guardian in Mononoke Hime. The goddess, very pretty. The graveyard, always a favorite of mine. The healer. Yeah, and these are mostly sort of in a black and white, but like a bluey. But there's some red accents. There's some sort of yellows, but it's very... Oh, that's cool. The pear. Huh. The revelry. That's fun. And then just like with anything else, you know, you could take the meaning literally as an actual rift, or you could have a rift between two people. The ships, that could be ships arriving, that could be somebody going on a journey. The cool thing about a deck like this, and especially with oracles, is something that I love, and I tried to do this in the oracle that I made several years ago, which I might try to redo at some point, I don't know. But is that, you know, the cards can have lots of meanings. They can be the literal meaning, or they can be a figurative meaning, which is really cool. I like oracles. They're not the same as tarot, but I certainly think they're super interesting. So that's that. That's the Endless Oracle. You can check out Eric's website for more info on his art. And I think he's a he. So Eric, if I'm getting your pronouns wrong, I apologize. Yeah, so that's that. Totally fun. Really, really neat deck. I'm glad I backed it, and I can't wait to spend more time with it. See you later.